So over here I have Griot's Garage Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. It's for cars that have severe oxidation, so you have that yellowing haze on top of your headlights. This is a kit that costs about 30 bucks around AutoZone, and it is no power tools needed. From the start, I think what they're claiming is like once you clean up your headlights, it's going to be a lot brighter. Makes sense, right? And what you get out of the box is pretty much a set of sandpaper kind of pads and like one of these like connection units, so you can actually just connect it and just do a little sanding there. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So you have 3 pads here, and then you have the instruction manual, and then you have like different types of coating. So you're going to start with the oxidation remover, so you can remove any oxidation or just kind of yellowing or cracked plastic with these wipes. Then you're going to get 2 of these 1000 grit sandpaper pads. You're going to stick one on here, and then you're just going to rub it down the headlight. And you have 2 of them, so you can do enough to just kind of get it down. It's going to get pretty scratchy after that. And at that point, you're going to have a 2000 grit pad. You're going to do the same thing, scratch it down. Then you have the 3000 grit. So they actually give you a total of 4 pads. My mistake earlier, I just found it. So 2 1000s, says 1000 there, 1 2000. And then right after you do the 2000, you're going to use the 3000 grit, just kind of sand it down so those get even more finer scratches. Then you're going to finish off with the ceramic headlight coating. They give you the 2 of those packets there, and you're just going to kind of rub on it, and it should just create that nice shine and clarity that you need, as well as that long-lasting protection. So that's what comes out of the box. This is kind of everything you get for the ceramic restoration kit. I'm going to go ahead and do my own restoration on an older Camry that has a little hazing. And one of the things the instructions does show in this little pamphlet here is put a little tape around it, because you don't want to be scratching your paint as you're kind of like rubbing this kind of sandpaper across. So just make sure you have enough area to like protect it. And if you want something even finer than just kind of like 3000, you can wet sand it with some water or some lubricant, and that should actually create like less haze there. So that's what you get for the Griot's ceramic headlight restoration kit. This is one of the better kits in the hardware store that I've seen and used, and so highly recommend it.